Namaskar, good evening. You're watching the News Hour Agenda and I am Swati Joshi. After a crushing defeat in Haryana, Congress is now faced with a multi-state allied turbulence. Congress's INDI bloc allies, who have become more assertive now, are twisting the knife. Some launching veiled attacks, others openly slamming Congress and blaming its overconfidence for the Haryana drubbing. From Uttar Pradesh to Delhi to Maharashtra to Jammu Kashmir, allies are speaking out against Congress. Let's start with Uttar Pradesh, where Samajwadi Party has announced candidates on 6 out of 10 seats for the upcoming by-polls in the state. This has miffed the Congress party, which had been demanding 5 seats, including Phulpur and Manjwa seats, where Samajwadi Party has named its own candidates. Congress has expressed its disappointment, saying it was not consulted by the Samajwadi Party before they announced the candidates. Samajwadi Party has cited Congress's Haryana loss in response, saying Congress did not agree to give us even a single seat, not a single seat to Samajwadi Party in Haryana, and ended up handing over the entire state to BJP.
अगर हरियाणा में कांग्रेस पार्टी ने सापा और आम आदमी पार्टी से तालमेल कर लिया होता तो आज हरियाणा में इंडिया गठबंधन की सरकार होती। कांग्रेस पार्टी ने सापा को 1 सीट नहीं दी और भाजपा को पूरा प्रदेश दे दिया।
इसके बारे में जानकारी नहीं है। इंडिया गठबंधन के कोऑर्डिनेशन कमेटी से अभी कोई चर्चा नहीं हुई है। संभावनाएं हमेशा आखिर तक रहती हैं, उसे नकारा नहीं जा सकता।
चुनाव परिणाम के बाद से समाजवादी पार्टी के नेता और प्रवक्ता जिस तरह से कांग्रेस की आलोचना कर रहे हैं, उससे स्पष्ट हो रहा है कि गठबंधन में गांठें बहुत गहरी पड़ गई हैं। वैसे भी समाजवादी पार्टी का पुराना ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड है कि जिसके साथ भी गठबंधन एक चुनाव में करते हैं, अगले चुनाव से पहले ही गठबंधन तोड़ देते हैं।
Now, in the national capital, where assembly polls are due early next year, AAP has decided to snub Congress and has declared that it will go solo in the polls, saying it is capable of fighting overconfident Congress and arrogant BJP alone.
ये कांग्रेस को कांग्रेस के अति आत्मविश्वास ने हराया है। जब उत्तर प्रदेश में 2022 में उनकी सिर्फ 2 सीटें थी विधानसभा में, तो भी सपा ने उनको 17 सीटें दी लोकसभा में। दिल्ली में विधानसभा में पिछले 10 साल से कांग्रेस 0 पे है, पर लोकसभा में आम आदमी पार्टी ने उनको 3 सीटें दी। पर कांग्रेस को जरूरी नहीं लगा कि वो अपने अलायंस पार्टनर्स को साथ लेकर चले। हमने बहुत प्रयास किया, पर इसका पोस्टमार्टम करने का कोई फायदा नहीं है। हमें आगे का सोचना है।
In Maharashtra, Congress and Shiv Sena UBT find themselves on a confrontational path. Uddhav Sena mouthpiece tore into Congress, saying one can learn from the grand old party as to how to convert a certain victory into a loss. The Samna editorial also criticized Congress High Command, saying it did not stop Huda when he and his supporters publicly humiliated party leaders like Kumari Selja. Congress shot back at Uddhav Sena, calling such open criticism of an alliance partner unacceptable.
हरियाणा में इंडिया गठबंधन नहीं बन पाया क्योंकि वहां कांग्रेस को लगता था कि बस हम अपने ताकत पर, अपने बलबूते पर जीतेंगे तो सत्ता में और कोई भागीदार नहीं चाहिए। तो हमारे जो मित्र है हुड्डा जी या कांग्रेस के नेता है, उनको लगा कि हम ही जीतेंगे। अगर समाजवादी पार्टी है अखिलेश जी की, आप है केजरीवाल साहब के नेतृत्व में, हमारे जैसे छोटे छोटे दल है, हमारे खाते में 1-2 सीटें आ जाती तो ज़रूर ये जो चित्र है, ये निर्णय है जो जनता ने दिया, उसमें ज़रूर बदलाव होता।
पहलवान नाराज थे, किसान नाराज थे, बेरोजगार नौजवान नाराज थे। जबरदस्त बीजेपी के खिलाफ माहौल था, फिर भी कांग्रेस वहां उनको हरा नहीं पाई। उसके पीछे सबसे बड़ा कारण यह भी रहा कि वहां पर महाविकास आघाड़ी के समान एक इंडिया गठबंधन नहीं बन पाया।
आज बिल्कुल चर्चा होगी और बिल्कुल चर्चा करेंगे, क्योंकि सार्वजनिक रूप में इस तरह से अलायंस को ये एलिगेशन नहीं लगा सकते। ये हमारी भूमिका है।
Even in Jammu Kashmir, where Congress and NC are set to form the government, Congress's performance has been questioned. NC leader Nasir Wani said that the party expected Congress to take on BJP in Jammu region, but it failed to do so.
ये एक अफसोस रहा कि उन्होंने अंडर परफॉर्म किया। हमको जितनी उम्मीद थी और जिस तरह से हमने उनको सीटें जम्मू में दी थी, उस तरीके का नतीजा आया नहीं। तो ये कांग्रेस को खुद का एक मुहासबा करना पड़ेगा, दिल है टू इंट्रोस्पेक्ट कि उनकी कहाँ कमी रही।
You're watching the News Hour at 10. Debate number 1 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
So what is happening in the INDI camp? Is the Congress party losing credibility among its allies? Will this, the Haryana drubbing, have an impact on the upcoming polls, especially Maharashtra, where the allies will, of course, want to bargain more in terms of seats with the Congress party? Let's go across to our guests. Let's open up this discussion. We have R.P. Singh, national spokesperson of the BJP, with us on the broadcast. We have Pattabhiram Komareddy, national spokesperson of the TDP. Dr. Nikul Patel, leader Congress, joins us on the broadcast. Faizan Kidwai, spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, is also with us. And we have Anand Dubey, national spokesperson of the Shiv Sena UBT. Good evening to all of you. Let me begin with you. Dr. Patel, what's happening? One of your allies saying arrogance, entitlement and looking down upon others, upon the regional parties, is not going to help you. It's in fact a recipe for disaster. Others are saying Congress was overconfident. Aam Aadmi Party saying हमको साथ में लेकर चलते तो नतीजा कुछ और होता.
See, whenever election happens, then the results are out. Definitely, the losing party will be cursed with different things, and I would like to say the allies would like to curse Congress. Okay, that's their own perspective. If you see in the Haryana, the vote share of Congress had increased by 11%, and if you see the vote share for Bharatiya Janata Party was around 39.94%, whereas for Congress it was 39.04%. So almost equal vote share for both BJP and Congress. But now when it comes to winning the seat, if you see almost 10 seats were almost with a narrow margin. So I don't think that there was anything which Congress had done wrong. Now with the allies, what allies are feeling that definitely they have not been consulted. And in Jammu and Kashmir also, if you see the overall vote share of National Conference and Congress is more than Bharatiya Janata Party.
Right, but the National Conference is still saying that the Congress underperformed. In fact, Farooq Abdullah said that it's the infighting within the Congress which has cost them the state of Haryana. And these are not, these are not part of the opposition like you'd like to consider them, or part of the Bharatiya Janata Party. They are your own allies. Wouldn't they want a strong Congress?
See, Congress is strong and getting strong more and more under the leadership of Rahul Gandhi. And after 2024 Lok Sabha election, we have seen how we are growing. Definitely the allies will be feeling little bit short of it because the coalition was not able to form before the election, pre-poll alliances. But in Jammu and Kashmir, there was a pre-poll alliance. Now, if another parties don't want to get alliance with us as what in Delhi, then
but
definitely...
That's interesting because the other parties are saying कि आपने हमें साथ में लिया ही नहीं. Now we also have Lokesh Jindal, political analyst and advocate, Anmol Pawar, spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, joining us on the broadcast. Let me in fact go across to Anand Dubey. Anand Dubey, Sanjay Raut has said जहां कांग्रेस वीक हो जाती है वहां उसको रीजनल पार्टीज की जरूरत पड़ती है, और जहां वो स्ट्रांग हो जाती है, और वो तुलना बीजेपी से कर रहे हैं कि वहां वो रीजनल पार्टीज को इंपॉर्टेंस देना बंद कर देती है. हालांकि नाना पटोले कह रहे हैं कि ऐसा ओपन क्रिटिसिज्म आप लोगों को नहीं करना चाहिए. पार्टी फोरम में बोलिए, अचानक अब आपको कांग्रेस में कमियां नजर आने लगी?
स्वाति जी नमस्ते. जब कोई पार्टी बहुत अच्छा कर रही है, सबको विश्वास था कि क्लीन स्वीप होगा, हरियाणा में कांग्रेस के नेतृत्व में सरकार बनेगी, जवान परेशान थे, नौजवान परेशान थे, किसान परेशान थे, पहलवान परेशान थे, पूरी तरफ एक माहौल था कि भाई कांग्रेस पार्टी ही जीतने वाली है. जैसे क्रिकेट मैच में छक्के चौके खूब लगा रहे हैं, सेंचुरी बनाने के पहले 2 रन पहले अगर आप क्लीन बोल्ड हो जाएं तो आपको सलाह दी जाती है, आपकी आलोचना की जाती है कि आपको सब बॉल लूज ही नहीं मिलेंगे, कुछ यॉर्कर भी मिलेंगे, कुछ आपको ऐसे बॉल भी मिलेंगे जिन पर आप आउट हो सकते हैं. तो आपको इतनी सावधानी तो बरतनी चाहिए. यही शिवसेना उनको सिखा रही है, क्योंकि हरियाणा के जस्ट बाद महाराष्ट्र में भी चुनाव है. महाराष्ट्र में स्थिति बहुत अच्छी है. महाविकास आघाड़ी के पक्ष में फैसला आ सकता है. सभी एग्जिट पोल, सभी पत्रकार,
आपको लगता है कांग्रेस पार्टी क्या एरोगेंट हो गई? क्या हो गया? ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट हो गई? लगा कि हम अकेले अपने दम पर हरियाणा जीत जाएंगे? क्या हुआ?
मैं बता रहा हूं, अति आत्मविश्वास में बह गई, क्योंकि पूरी कांग्रेस पार्टी में केवल हुड्डा परिवार ही आगे चल रहा था. अगर कुमारी शैलजा जी को भी साथ लिया जाता, आम आदमी पार्टी को भी कुछ सीटें दी जाती, समाजवादी से भी बात की जाती, क्योंकि स्वाति जी एक सीट तो केवल 32 वोटों से हारी है कांग्रेस पार्टी. 32 वोट कोई मतलब नहीं रखता, और 400, 500, 1000, 2000 से हारने वाली 6-7 सीटें हैं. उनको मिली है 37 और बीजेपी को मिली है 48. हाँ. अगर कांग्रेस 6 सीट और जीत जाती बीजेपी से तो कांग्रेस पहुंच जाती 43 और बीजेपी पहुंच जाती 42.
पूरा कैलकुलेशन आधारित है इस बात पर कि एलायंस को साथ लेकर चलना चाहिए था. कंसल्टेशन करना चाहिए था. Let me bring in Lokesh Jindal. Lokesh Jindal, now this is Anand Dubey. This is Anand Dubey of Shiv Sena UBT, and he is voicing his opinion. This criticism is coming in from the Congress party's ally. And Lokesh Jindal, the Congress party on one hand is saying, this is a conspiracy happening against us, and there were some technical issues, that this is a victory of manipulation. And here are your own allies saying the Congress was overconfident. They should have consulted the allies. हमको साथ में लेकर चलना चाहिए था. How do you respond, Lokesh Jindal?
Well, the allies are also not happy with the way the Haryana poll result came out. And they are expressing their anguish by coming out with various suggestions. And certainly the party has gone back to the drawing board and will be introspecting what went wrong. But one thing I would like to point out, that the so-called, the phrasing it as a poll debacle is not something fair. There were certain pockets which were left. I mean, there was a planning, I would say, mismanagement that led to the loss of Haryana. But overall, the party did well in the northwestern region, northeastern region. In fact, there are various bastions where BJP lost. In fact, Panchkula was always a stronghold for the BJP. Gyanchand Gupta lost. Congress candidate won over there. The entire belt of Sirsa, Hisar, Kaithal, the erstwhile strong areas where BJP had done well in the parliamentary elections, those seats went to Congress. Yes, with respect to Ahirwal area, the Congress should have focused more, and if it would have focused more, it could have got the numbers right. So what I'm saying is, yes, there were certain setbacks with respect to Haryana polls, but Jammu Kashmir, the alliance has won, and subsequently in Maharashtra, we will see that the alliance will come out stronger.
Okay, Jindal, while you're dissecting Haryana results, tell me something. You're saying don't call it a poll debacle. Can I at least ask you, are you losing confidence within the INDI?
No, there is no loss of confidence.
If there is no loss of confidence, then let me bring in Faizan Kidwai. Faizan Kidwai, spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. Samajwadi Party has announced 6 candidates for the upcoming by-polls. Now, one of the leaders, Mr. Avinash Pandey, said, "हमको तो पता ही नहीं था, हमको तो consult ही नहीं किया गया." Congress party had asked for 5 seats. Is this your assessment of whether or not, according to you, Congress party would be able to win 5 seats if you give them? Or is it because of just the Haryana results that have come out? Or did you not take Congress into consultation at all?
No, not at all. Everything is fine. The India bloc is intact, and Congress party will be consulted. See, these seats are the seats where Samajwadi Party would have, as it is, fielded its candidate. You see, Karhal, Katehri, Milkipur, Mirapur was the seat that RLD won last time because it was with Samajwadi Party. Then Sisamau, Kundarki. As far as Phulpur is concerned, that was won by BJP by just a margin of 2,000 votes. So Samajwadi is going to contest these seats, and everything is fine. The Congress in charge and the Samajwadi Party will sit together, and the seat sharing will be done. There's no problem here, like Bharatiya Janata Party would want it to be. So Samajwadi Party and the India bloc Gadbandhan is intact, and we are going to fight and defeat Bharatiya Janata Party.
There is no problem. What are these leaders saying? Are you going to say these are their individual statements when Ravidas Mehrotra says कि हमको एक सीट नहीं दी आपने और पूरा राज्य आप बीजेपी को दे गए, और when Avinash Pandey responds and says no, there was no information given to us, there is no discussion as far as the coordination committee of the INDI is concerned? Why are these statements coming up?
See, individuals can make statements in their personal capacities. It is the top party leadership. Whatever the top party leadership says, that is supposed to be the party's stand. So the media should also be very careful, like what kind of a statement they are getting and from whom.
Media is only reporting the statements. When I'm saying Ravidas Mehrotra, exactly. When I'm saying Ravidas Mehrotra, or if I'm saying Avinash Pandey, or if I'm saying Farooq Abdullah said infighting has cost the Congress party the state of Haryana, these are all statements coming in from the leaders of these respective parties that the media is citing. Now, based on that, there are questions that are being posed. Let me bring in RP Singh, since you've accused the BJP of trying to project it like this. RP Singh, the allegation, yes, the allies are speaking. But the BJP, that's the allegation, that it's the BJP which is trying to peddle a narrative कि फूट पड़ रही है इंडिया में, ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं. Please respond.
नहीं, हमें थोड़ा कहने की जरूरत है फूट पड़ रही है. We don't need to say that. Ask the Samajwadi Party leaders to just keep shut for a while. or ask Congress party to not to say that we have asked for 5 seats. Did we say that we asked for the 5 seats? Or ask the Priyanka Chaturvedi not to say that had they done alliance with other parties, things would have been different. So they should ask their alliance partner not to speak. When it's their observations on various in last 2 days, which is leading to this. So they need to tell, or they should tell Mr.
No, but they'd say that their allies, they would say that their allies have the liberty.
See, allies,
allies have the liberty to speak. उतना उनके democracy है उनके INDI में.
The duty of allies, it's the duty of friends to tell your other friends.
Mr. Kidwai, let him respond. I'll come back to you for a quick rebuttal. I'll come back to you.
Kidwai साहब आपको बोलने का मौका मिला. So issue is that Farooq Abdullah says something, and also my friend from the Congress party said that they had done very well in Jammu Kashmir. They just won 1 seat in Jammu region, and that to the upper region, not among the 29 seats which we won, not the Jammu region in proper, but from the other region of the Jammu, the upper part of the Jammu, and also just 5 seats in Valley. So this is the tally of the Jammu Congress in Jammu Kashmir. So they can keep going and doing chest thumping around that we have won, alliance has won. NC can form a government without them today. And NC leader Omar Abdullah is on record that Mr. Rahul Gandhi didn't deliver what was supposed to be delivered by them in Jammu Kashmir also. And also, who has not seen infighting within the Congress also?
Okay.
When we have seen how Shailja Kumari was treated, how Mr. Rahul Gandhi has to go on a stage and hold the hand of both Shailja Kumari and Mr. Huda and say, "Mere do sher hain," as he was a ringmaster who's taming the share in the circus.
Okay. Now, before Nikul Patel and Lokesh Jindal say that this is BJP peddling a narrative, we have a reaction, in fact, from Parvinder Singh on the conspiracy within the Congress. Now, this is one of your own netas who says there is a conspiracy happening within the party which led to the loss. I'll request the PCR to play out that reaction.
तो टिकट बांटने में कहीं ना कहीं गलती और कमियां रही हैं, उसके बाद कहीं ना कहीं हमारी बहुत ही सीनियर लीडर कुमारी शैलजा जी को भी नजरअंदाज किया गया टिकटों में. फिर आप देख सकते हैं कि किस तरीके से टिकटें भी बांटी गई और कहीं ना कहीं सभी जगह जहां पर कांग्रेस प्रत्याशी खड़े हुए उनके सामने ही बागी उम्मीदवार खड़े कर दिए गए कि जो सीटें हैं वो कहीं ना कहीं उसमें कमी आए और हम मुख्यमंत्री बन सकें.
Dr. Nikul Patel, here is your own neta who says कि मुख्यमंत्री की एक अलग रेस चल रही थी. There was conspiracy happening within the party. Will you also, brush all this under the carpet and say, this is also one individual statement coming in?
See, whenever if you win, then everything is good. But if you lost, then someone would like to come up and speak. I think that person is also a candidate, and he used to curse the Congress. But over here, if you see the overall vote share of the Congress that improved by almost 11% in Haryana in this election, and definitely we have come with the flying colors. See, winning the election and getting into the government is definitely not the taste this time, but we have definitely improved in Haryana. The people's mood was definitely to form the government of Congress, but few seats which were really lost by margins.
Yes, so that's very interesting because you're talking about that slim margin victory. I want to bring in Advocate Anmol Pawar, the spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, and Mr. Komar Reddy, I'll come to you right after that. Anmol Pawar, the seats that Mr. Patel is talking about, where the victory margin was slim, there in fact the Aam Aadmi Party has been able to get sizable number of votes. क्या ये वजह है कि आप ऐसा कह रहे थे कि अगर हमको साथ में लेकर चलते तो नतीजा कुछ और होता, साथ में लेकर चलते तो शायद कांग्रेस पार्टी का फायदा हो जाता? डू यू थिंक यू वर साइडलाइंड इन हरियाणा? वाज द कांग्रेस पार्टी ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट?
We have witnessed that in Lok Sabha election, when the India Alliance fought together, the vote percentage was 47% and the BJP lost 5 seats. And as far as assembly elections are concerned, had the Congress and its India Alliance partners fought together, then certainly we could have altered the political landscape of the state. Because people want to get rid of this Bharatiya Janata Party. 61% of the people of Haryana have not voted for Bharatiya Janata Party. And if you look at the voting percentage, Congress got 39%, BJP got 39%, and it's the Aam Aadmi Party which got 2%.
Wrong.
So no, one second. RP Singh is challenging you on that figure.
Would have turned in,
okay, RP Singh is challenging you on that figure.
Alliance had we contested together.
Okay, had you contested together, the results would have been different. RP Singh, you were challenging Anmol Pawar. Do you want to cite another data?
He's not aware of the total figure. And tell you is that we got 39.97% and Congress got 13.16%.
This is a data from Election Commission website.
Hold your breath. 13.16. Similar thing happened in Himachal also. We lost by whisker of 0.6%. So loss is a loss. I mean, there's a difference of 0.79%. So there's a difference.
Okay, but Mr. Pawar, I have a counter question for you. During the Lok Sabha elections also we saw for the general elections, there was an alliance, the INDI bloc. But then the states we saw parties fighting without that alliance or fighting solo. It was a strategy of the Congress party. Okay, they lost. Their strategy failed perhaps. But why turn around and attack your own ally and say that they are overconfident?
Is it for
me? Yes, it's for you. Go ahead.
The fact is that the alliance partners must acknowledge the ground realities of the state in which we are contesting the elections. The fact is that the Congress has not been able to gain power in last 10 years on its own in Haryana. And if SP and Aam Aadmi Party and other alliance partners would have come together, then certainly it would have impacted the assembly elections a lot.
Lokesh Jindal, respond to that. You ignored your allies. That cost you.
If you could see the margin, of victories in Dabwali, there's a margin of around 610 votes only.
Yes, I just cited that. There were seats where the victory margin was slim, but the AAP got sizable votes. Yes, I just mentioned that. Let me take a quick counter from Lokesh Jindal on that. Lokesh Jindal, please respond.
Another seat had a victory margin of 32 votes.
Yes.
Decisions like these involve a lot of considerations. At the grassroots level, there are party workers who work day and night. And it's not something that we are not welcoming, or Congress never welcomed Samajwadi Party or Aam Aadmi Party. In fact, the alliance is very strong, and everywhere efforts are made so that the alliance can together contest elections. But when we talk about Haryana, there is no denying of the fact that the cadre of Congress and the core vote bank of Congress is very strong as compared to all other partners. And at this point of time, the party wanted to make sure that nothing dampens the spirit of the party workers. And it would be more mature if today the alliance, it stands strong and aims at preparing for the next elections rather than trying to, post-mortem what has happened.
But your performance is being judged right ahead of elections in Maharashtra. These statements definitely should be a matter of concern for the Congress. Let me bring in Mr. Komareddy. Mr. Komareddy, there are some allies of the Congress party who are saying that the Congress party loses every time it's in a direct fight. But they won the state of Karnataka. They won elections in Telangana very recently, in Telangana as well. Do you think that narrative really stands, or at the moment, just because the Congress party has lost, the allies feel like they need to voice their opinions that perhaps could give them an edge and upper hand when it comes to bargaining for seats?
Swati, looking at the results in Haryana, Jammu and Kashmir, and the kind of statements that are coming in from the India Alliance partners, I think the India Alliance is slowly becoming a myth, whereas NDA is a strong reality even today. So the India Alliance is kind of a myth. I mean, it's like fading away. Look at what is happening in Delhi. AAP had clearly said that there will be no alliance. There is no alliance, India Alliance in Delhi. Now Sanjay Raut of Shiv Sena is directly commenting on the alliance, on Congress. Even in Maharashtra, the seat sharing has not yet been concluded. Shiv Sena, UBT and Congress are at loggerheads in Mumbai and Vidarbha. Where is the India Alliance in West Bengal? Where is it in Kerala? So it is slowly becoming a myth.
Okay.
And wherever Congress has in fact become a big liability.
But Mr. Kumar Reddy, when it comes to Maharashtra, reports often have suggested trouble in paradise for the Mahayuti as well.
18%.
So wherever you have too many parties part of the coalition, don't you think there will be multiple voices? It can lead to clashes. But since you're saying INDI is a myth, it has become a myth now. Quick counters from Faizan Kidwai, then Mr. Anand Dubey. Faizan Kidwai, please go ahead.
Yes. So the gentleman from TDP says that India alliance is becoming a myth. So something which is a myth, something which is not so strong, you shouldn't be worried about it. The Honorable Prime Minister spent a good 20-30 minutes cursing Congress Party and the India alliance yesterday. He made a very puerile attempt of creating rift, like he's a school child who's trying to create fight between two people. But this doesn't work. You should understand, sir.
Let me ask you a very straightforward question.
Let me complete my point.
Okay.
Yeah,
this exposes the fear of Bharatiya Janata Party. This exposes the fear of Pradhan Mantri, not our flaws.
Okay.
If we were flawed, you should have worried. And to you, the TDP gentleman,
like a pack of cards.
TDP gentlemen, I'll tell you what your national president, your chief minister said about Mr. Modi. He called him a terrorist. He evoked the Gujarat riots and asked the minorities not to vote for Modi. And Modi called him Bhallal Dev from the movie Bahubali. According to Narendra Modi, your Chandrababu Naidu is a villain.
No, we have seen such exchange of jibes and barbs between several parties that are today part of the INDI also. So politics of convenience is played on both sides. Mr. Kidwai, let me ask you a very straightforward question. In fact, a common question for both you and Mr. Anand Dubey. Mr. Kidwai, has Congress Party become a liability for the regional parties? Can you trust Congress Party with more number of seats?
See, the number of seats will be decided on the basis of what is the winnability factor. Like in Uttar Pradesh, as everybody says, that Samajwadi Party is the dominant force. And since Congress is an ally of Samajwadi Party,
so it's not a liability
sharing
for you.
will be done on the basis of that. And to that, I just want to say that Congress, I'm sure there are very intelligent people working for Congress, but these people should speak to Mr. Rahul Gandhi and inform him that a wrong decision would cost you a state. Like Haryana was something that
so
everybody knew that
you're not very
Congress Party will win.
Not very openly criticizing, not even calling Congress Party liability, but you are very, very smartly you're putting forward your point that Rahul Gandhi needs to be informed.
It's a job of a friend to tell another friend where you're going wrong.
Okay. All right. Mr. Anand Dubey, the same question for you as well. Is Congress Party a liability? और क्योंकि चलिए उत्तर प्रदेश में तो फैजान किदवई कह रहे थे कि समाजवादी पार्टी और कांग्रेस में ज्यादा सीटें समाजवादी को ही मिलेगी, लेकिन महाराष्ट्र में क्या होगा?
स्वाति जी, कल से पूरे देश में एक बहस चल रही है कि इंडिया अलायंस के लोग कांग्रेस पार्टी को आईना दिखा रहे हैं, जब सैकड़ों साल पहले हमारे संत कबीर दास जी ने कह दिया कि निंदक नियरे राखिए आंगन कुटी छवाए बिन पानी साबुन बिना निर्मल करे सुहाय। तो निंदा भी वही होगी जहां उसका अधिकार होगा, जहां लोकतंत्र होगा। बीजेपी में किसी की मजाल है कि बीजेपी को कोई आईना दिखा दे, वहां कोई निंदा कर दे? वहां तो गुलाम पसंद होते हैं, वहां मित्रों को जगह नहीं होती। जहां मित्रता होती है वहीं एक दूसरे को आईना दिखाया जाता है, वहीं अच्छाई बुराई गिनाई जाती है। तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी को हमारे बारे में बात करने का नैतिक अधिकार नहीं है। 2 सीटें ही ज्यादा पाई है बहुमत के आंकड़े से। 46 पर बहुमत का आंकड़ा है, 48 पाई है, कांग्रेस 37 पाई है। तो कांग्रेस कोई खराब प्रदर्शन नहीं की है, सिर्फ कांग्रेस और अच्छा कर सकती थी, यही इंडिया अलायंस के दोस्त कह रहे हैं, ताकि महाराष्ट्र में, झारखंड में उसका लाभ मिले। अब उसके लिए इतनी बड़ी बहस, इतना प्रोपोगंडा, इनको
ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट आप लोग कह रहे हैं। टीएमसी कह रही है कि ये डिजास्टर की रेसिपी है। ये सारे जो स्टेटमेंट्स आ रहे हैं ये आईएनडीआई के एलाइज की तरफ से ही आ रहे हैं कि राहुल गांधी तक सही एडवाइस पहुंचे, कि एक गलत डिसीजन वापस दोबारा ना ले लिया जाए। ठीक है, आप कह रहे हैं, आप इसको कंस्ट्रक्टिव क्रिटिसिज्म कह रहे हैं क्या? आप कह रहे हैं कंस्ट्रक्टिव क्रिटिसिज्म है, ठीक है, कंस्ट्रक्टिव क्रिटिसिज्म। आरपी सिंह जी, लाइक आई सेड अर्लियर आल्सो, आईएनडीआई के लोग कहेंगे दैट दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ डेमोक्रेटिक सेटअप विद इन आईएनडीआई। लिबर्टी है हमारे एलाइज को कि हमारा वो क्रिटिसिज्म कर सकते हैं। बीजेपी में ऐसा सेटअप नहीं है अकॉर्डिंग टू देम।
तो हर इलेक्शन के हारने के बाद यही करना चाहिए। 62 में से 47 इलेक्शन हारे हैं लगातार, ये अगली बार भी हारेंगे, अगली बार भी यही करना चाहिए। 3 लोकसभा के इलेक्शन निरंतर हारे हैं, तो अच्छी बात है। सर जारी रखिए, सर जारी रहिए, सर जारी रहिए। ये बता दीजिए उद्धव ठाकरे जी मुख्यमंत्री होंगे नहीं होंगे? अच्छा ये बता दीजिए अब उद्धव ठाकरे जी मुख्यमंत्री होंगे, पटौदी साहब होंगे,
इतनी जल्दी कैसे भूल गए?
मुख्यमंत्री कौन होंगे?
पार्टियों को
पटौदी साहब होंगे या उद्धव ठाकरे जी होंगे? इसका बता दीजिएगा जरूर।
नफरत फैला के आप लोग राजनीति करते हो, ऑपरेशन लोटस चलाते हो, उसके बाद हमें ज्ञान देते हो।
और आप हिंदुत्व रक्षा छोड़ चुके हैं।
खूबसूरती नहीं है लोकतंत्र की। सुपड़ा साफ हो गया आपका, सुपड़ा जम्मू कश्मीर में साफ हो गया ना। अब महाराष्ट्र और झारखंड की बारी है। महाराष्ट्र और झारखंड में
जम्मू में कहाँ सुपड़ा साफ हुआ? जम्मू में कहाँ सुपड़ा साफ हुआ? But Mr. Komareddy is smiling. Mr. Komareddy, why are you smiling?
Swati, see, I really feel so sorry now for my friends in the India Alliance that today, they have to use a platform like Times Now to appeal to Rahul Gandhi. Zara हमारा चेहरा देखिए, हमारा बात सुनिए. I really feel sorry for you. I really, it's a pity that you are in such kind of a scenario that you have to beg on national television. Rahul ji, जरा हमारे पास हमारा बात सुनिए, हमारा चेहरा देखिए. I really feel sorry for you.
आपके टीडीपी साहब, आपके चंद्रबाबू नायडू जी जब उनको टेररिस्ट बोलते हैं उसके बारे में आपने बोला नहीं।
अरे आप छोड़िए, मैं 10 बार बोल रहा हूँ।
उसके बाद भी
All right. Anmol Pawar, Anand Dubey and Faizan Kidwai are both saying एक फ्रेंड जो है वही एडवाइस दे सकता है. एज अ फ्रेंड दे आर गिविंग दिस एडवाइस टू द कांग्रेस पार्टी सो दैट आने वाले इलेक्शंस में उसका फायदा हो. Why can't Aam Aadmi Party be that friend to Congress Party? Why are you saying you'll go alone for the polls or solo in Delhi?
There are states in our country like we have TMC, we have in West Bengal, we have DMK in Tamil Nadu and Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi. They have the capability to win the elections on their own. And people have time and again voted.
And you think Congress Party cannot win elections on its own?
2015, whether it's 2020, with a thumping majority. No, but the reality is people of Delhi are choosing Aam Aadmi Party. We have got more than 50% vote share in both the elections. BJP was nowhere near us. So that is the reason why we are not entering into.
No, but if the Congress Party thought that there's a direct fight between them and the BJP, and that they can take on BJP, that they're the only party who can win and give a strong opposition to the BJP, why can't you give that benefit of doubt to the Congress as well? Why are you calling them arrogant? Why are you calling them overconfident?
We have never said the Congress to be arrogant. We are still part of the India Alliance and we are optimistic about the future of this alliance, and we will together defeat the Bharatiya Janata Party whenever need arises. And the fact is that the Congress must introspect. I think they seem to be overconfident about the outcome of the Assembly.
Everything said and done. Okay, everything said and done. The allies believe that this is constructive criticism, but the Congress Party needs to introspect. BJP says that the INDI is becoming a myth now. Thank you very much.